I'm ready.
All right, your first question comes from Leanne from Makawao. Her question is, how many employees in the hospital have tested positive for COVID-19?
As far as we know, there's just one employee, and it was a number of weeks ago. She wasn't feeling well, and she immediately took herself off of work and kept herself at home. As far as we know, she's doing fine now, but that was the only one that we're aware of.
That's awesome to hear the recovery story of our affected ones. All right, this one comes from Manny from Wailuku. Why are we not following the model of other Asian countries who are effectively controlling the virus, especially telling everybody to wear masks, even if it just is the homemade ones, better than nothing at all, right?
Well, we've been following the CDC guidelines and following what all the hospitals have been practicing in the mainland. And just this week on Monday, we changed our policy to allow all of our employees and caregivers to wear their own personal mask at any time. We will provide more significant masks if a patient's in isolation or they're doing a procedure. We'll always provide protective equipment for our staff. But if a employee is just working as normal without a corona patient around them, and they want extra protection, they can wear their own mask. And we allowed that as of Monday, and I think it's a good change. I
think so too. We have a lot of creative makers out there and sewers that are creating the masks, and a lot of talk, especially on social media, as people are unsure whether we should be using it or not. Of course, Maui Health recommends it, right?
Let me just add, if anyone is making masks and would like to donate them to the hospital, bring them into the hospital, and we'd be happy to distribute them to our employees who would like to have one for their protection.
Awesome. Let's see. Okay, Tom from Kihei sends us a question. It has been reported that Maui has under 30 ventilators on island. Are more en route and at this time? And if so, how many?
Well, we have approximately 30 right now, and we have ordered more ventilators. We're ordering as many ventilators that we can find. We've been doing that for weeks. We're being very well prepared for any surge that could occur. I think your listeners should feel confident that the hospital is prepared to take care of them and their families for whatever should happen. But we have ventilators ordered. They will be here. And the mayor just announced that there's a local company trying to also build and assemble ventilators. And we're visiting them this week to see if they will work, and we'll purchase them as well if we can.
Man, we should send a big mahalo out to all of the local companies that are getting behind the effort to take care of the COVID-19 to whatever capacity we're able to. So big mahalo to all of our companies out there. All right, Mike, we were talking the other day about the information. Crucial to get the right information. That's why we have these talks at 7:19 every morning. What website would you suggest again?
Go to Maui Health. You'll find all the information you need to know, not only about the hospital, but COVID-19. We have just a great group of dedicated employees and physicians that are there to take care of all your healthcare needs, not only during the COVID-19 crisis, but all the time. We're very proud of our staff, and we'll provide whatever information you need. And look in the paper on the weekend. We'll be providing informational pieces as well.
Well, as we have more questions coming in as the week progresses, I'm sure our listeners are getting used to now. So, Mike, again, want to thank you and your staff at Maui Health, and we look forward to more updates. Any last words, Mike?
No, just take care of yourself. Social distancing is important. Stay home if you can. And we'll all be healthy, and we'll be done with this hopefully very soon.
All right. Thank you, Mike. You guys have a wonderful day, and mahalo for all your hard work. We'll talk again.
Thank you very much.
Aloha.